Right, welcome back. Let's do question 7b. It says the mean of a class test is 60%. Will the standard deviation increase, decrease, or stay the same if 2% is added to each of the learners' marks? So what do we do here? Right, will the standard deviation be affected if all the marks are increased by 2%? No, the standard deviation is not going to be affected. Okay, it is not going to be affected. So we need to understand what standard deviation is in the first place. So the standard deviation is a way of measuring how spread out a set of data values are. How spread out a set of data values are. So now it can only be affected, let's say, if the lower marks are changed or the higher marks are changed, isn't it? But if all the marks are changed in the same way by 2%, then the standard deviation is not going to be affected. Okay? But things like the mean, those things are going to be affected, isn't it? Yes. So now I just want to remind you about how we calculate the standard deviation using the calculator. All right, let's say we want to calculate the standard deviation for Tabo's marks. How many subjects is Tabo doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, how do we use the calculator to find the standard deviation? So you go to mod. So our calculators may be different, but check where you can get these things in your calculator. Like you look for statistics, stats here. So here stats is 3. So I go to 3 there, and then you choose VAR, or in this case there's 1 minus VAR there, which is 1. Okay, which is variance there, and then that's 1, we choose 1 there. Okay, then you enter your data items. So the first one, after each item or after each mark, you press the equal sign. So the first one is 80, then press equals, then 81 equals 90 equals 78 equals, please try this on your own also, you must get the same answer. 50 equals 65 equals, and then 85, and then enter equals. Then what you do after that, you press AC, and then press shift, then 1 is 1, shift 1. Okay, you see that, and then you're looking for a standard deviation, so you go to 4 there, 4, which is variance there, and then now you see that you can get your mean, you can get your, even your standard deviation there is 3. Okay, press 3 there, that is 3, and then press equals. You see that? So it means your standard deviation there is 12,63619679, which is 12,64 when it's 2 decimal places. Okay, this is how we use the calculator to calculate what? The standard deviation.